Adami Corporation began its activities in 1942 with wooden boxes manufacturing and a small trade of crude wood. Some decades have passed and Adami has started a strong expansion with a diversification of its product line and vertical integration in the sectors of activity. Forestry Unit of Business. Environmental responsibility and concern for sustainability are features that form the foundation of all actions of Adami. In the Forestry Business Unit, we have the planting and maintaining of forests, which will serve as raw materials for the other units. Strictly observing environmental laws, this business unit has the Green Seal, FSC, Forest Stewardship Council, which demonstrate that its activities are environmentally correct, socially fair, and economically viable. Timber Business Unit. In the Timber Business Unit, crude wood receives treatment and undergoes a modern industrialization process through state-of-the-art equipment, turning into residential finishing pieces sold in domestic and international markets. Vert Doors Sector. Adami innovates again and introduces to the final consumer its line of doors and modulated. Durability, design, and sustainability are also the key attributes of this new brand. Care for environmental preservation has already been stated by its name. Vert means green in French. The discarded materials in the production process are reused and the raw material used in the manufacture of products is duly certified by the FSC. Chemical Mechanical Pulp Unit. Another Adami business unit is located in the city of Ponte Serrada, where material from forest thinning, cooking, and refining processes are carried out, turning the material into chemical mechanical pulp, which will serve as raw material for the production of paper and packaging. Paper Business Unit. In the Paper Business Unit, we see another example of social and environmental responsibility. It uses recycled paper, which is collected in all regions of the country in their own production. A program that generates jobs and income to many families and helps keep a clean environment. This process is a sustainable way and enables the Paper Business Unit to use with great pride the motto, growth with quality. Packaging Business Unit. Now we see the transformation of corrugated cardboard into various types of packaging. Here technology is responsible for the manufacture of cardboard sheets and the processes of these into various types of corrugated boxes, with many sizes and shapes, always according to the needs of each client. Monitored by the quality management system, this manufacturing process meets strict standards set, everything perfect to safely carry products from Brazil to various countries. Energy Business Unit. Concern about the energy issue was an incentive for investments in this sector, starting from existing hydraulic usage plants in its properties. Adami had built in 2005 in the city of Água Doce, Santa Catarina, a small hydroelectric plant, SHP, Salto Santo Antonio, 2.1 megawatts, which operates generating electricity for its own consumption and carried out in 2012 in partnership with an associated company, its largest product in the energy area. The construction of SHP, Dr. Victor Batista Adami, installed capacity of 25 megawatts. Located in the city of Passos Maia, Santa Catarina, with a severe control of environmental programs, it has been in operation since February 2013, providing its full potential in power generation for sale to the open market. Believing in this kind of venture, Adami has new energy uses projects that are in feasibility studies. Certifications. Certification of the FSC chain of custody covers the manufacturing process and products of the business units of the chemical mechanical pulp, paper, packaging, and timber. Responsibilities. Aware of its social and environmental responsibilities, Adami seeks to develop actions focused on the commitment to sustainable development, respect for nature, and appreciation of its employees. Always acting with ethics, transparency, respect to the laws and stakeholders, strengthening the principles and values with which it wants to be perceived. The company has a commitment made to its employees and their families through support, encouragement, and implementation of actions aimed at improving their health and life quality, as well as encouraging fundamental changes to favor and strengthen ethics and social responsibility, highlighting the exercise of citizenship. On environmental issues, it is very important to identify the environmental impacts by various segments now developed, and evaluations are carefully performed at each work operation, always seeking a balance between the natural environment that is being created, identifying and analyzing possible changes, making the environmental framework as positive as possible, enabling the promotion and sustainability of the projects. This is Adami Corporation, a company that was born through the dream and the strength of its founders, which went through decades and grew up with many ideas and one ideal: the progress of the community, the welfare of the people, and the preservation of environment.